the value of summation r is equal to 0 to 7 tan square pi r by 16 is equal to, for r is equal to 0, tan square 0 plus r is equal to 1, we can write tan square pi by 16. For r is equal to 2, tan square 2 pi by 16 plus tan square 3 pi by 16 plus tan square 4 pi by 16 plus tan square 5 pi by 16 plus tan square 6 pi by 16 plus tan square 7 pi by 16. And now, since we know that 7 pi by 16, we can write it as pi by 2 minus pi by 16, and 6 pi by 16 we can write it as pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 16, and sin 5 pi by 16 we can write, 5 pi by 16 we can write it as a pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 16. So tan 7 pi by 16 is nothing but cot pi by 16 we can write. It's a complementary angle. So we can write this as a tan square 0 is 0. So tan square pi by 16 plus tan square 7 pi by 16, we can write it as cot square pi by 16, and next plus tan square 2 pi by 16, and we can write 6 pi by 16 as a cot square 2 pi by 16. This is one term, another term, and now plus tan square 3 pi by 16 plus, and here we can use tan square 5 pi by 16 as cot square 3 pi by 16, and tan 4 pi by 16 is pi by 4, it's a 1, we can write 1 square. And also we know we can write as a tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to tan theta plus cot theta whole square minus 2 into tan theta into cot theta, that is 1, 2 into 1 is 2, so which implies 2 sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta whole square minus 2, so which equals to sin, by taking LCM and simplifying, sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1 upon sin theta cos theta whole square minus 2, or we can multiply and divide with 4 divided by 4 sin square theta cos square theta minus 2, which equals to 4 divided by, this is a 2 sin theta cos theta whole square, that is sin square 2 theta minus 2. So finally we can write tan square theta plus cot square theta can be written as 4 upon sin square 2 theta, 4 upon sin square 2 theta minus 2. So we had tan square pi by 16 plus cot square pi by 16, we can write it as, so the given sum, let me write the sum. So our given sum can be written as 4 times of 1 upon sin square 2 into pi by 16 plus 1 upon sin square 4 into pi by 16, 2 into 2 pi by 16, and plus third one, that is a 3 pi by 16, so sin square 2 into 3 pi, that is 6 pi by 16, so minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, that comes to minus 6 we can write, and again plus 1. So this one, and again last plus 1, so we can write, so which equals to 4 times of So 1 upon sine square pi by 8, and this is a pi by 16 is pi by 4, pi by 16 is pi by 4. So we can separate this. Sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, that is 1 by 2, which comes like 2. So we can write 2 plus 1 by 6 pi by 16, we can write it as a 3 pi by 8, and 3 pi by 8 we can write it as a pi by 2 minus pi by 8. So that is sine pi by 2 minus pi by 8 is, we can write it as a cos square pi by 8 I can use. This is minus 5, which equals to, so here we can take out 4 times of 1 upon sine square plus 1 upon cos square. By taking LCM, cos square plus sine square comes like 1 upon sine square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8, and this is 4 into 2, that is 8. So 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 5 comes like 8 minus 5. So which equals to 4 times of, and again multiplying and dividing with 4 here, multiplying and dividing with 4, 4 divided by sine 2 sine theta cos theta whole square, that is a sine square 2 pi by 8, that is pi by 4, plus 3, that is 16 upon sine square pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 whole square, that is 1 by 2, that is into 2, plus 3. So it comes as a 32 plus 3, which equals to 35. So the value of summation r is equal to 0 to 7 tan square pi r by 16 is 35. So option B.